Alright, so I got 5 ceiling fans in my room. This is the main fan, the cardinal fan. And I'm going to show you the fans I drew so far. There's actually 9 fans, including this one. This is the cardinal fan. I'm going to do it from high to low. Meanwhile, I'm going to show the Hampton Bay Princeton right here. That's the fan I drew. And when it slows down, I'm going to the National Chateau right there. National Chateau. Smeum. Low. Hampton Bay Princeton, National Chateau. Hampton Bay Carousel. Hampton Bay Carousel and Hampton Bay Carousel Plus in neon. Off. Now not just National Chateau. Carousel 2. I'm gonna say Carousel 1, Carousel Plus. Princeton. Westinghouse Petite. Hampton Bay Plus. Hampton Bay Plus. And then Hampton Bay Huntington III. And a Hunter original. Verde. Both the Huntington III and the Hunter original that I drew is in Verde.